Good morning, teacher. My name is Khadija Mubin Ansari. I am going to show you all the functions of our internal body parts. So now let's start with our brain. Our brain consists of three major parts. This is the largest part of our brain, which is called the cerebrum, and this is an almond part of the brain, which is called cerebellum. And the pink stem, as you see, is called this medulla oblongata. So, our cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It helps us to think, react, and remember. Our cerebellum controls muscle movements, helps us learn new things, and helps us to maintain balance. So, medulla oblongata. It is above the neck and connects to the brain with the spinal cord. It controls all involuntary actions such as breathing, heartbeat, digestion, and also dreams. Now let's come to the lungs. Did you know that just like the kidney, our lungs is having one pair, and the right part of the lung is slightly smaller, just like the right kidney, to store space for the liver. So as we breathe in air, the air goes through the trachea, which is also known as windpipe, and then enters the bronchi, and then it enters our lungs. The air brought in is filtered by absorbing oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. This process is known as breathing. Unfortunately, patients who are suffering from the coronavirus, they have their lungs filled with a lot of infections and pus. And so they need the help of this machine called ventilator. So now let's come to our heart. Did you know the size of our heart is the size of our fist? So, as you see, this is called the vein, which carries all deoxygenated blood. And this is the arteries, which carries all oxygenated blood. So the heart pumps blood to supply our muscles. It purifies the deoxygenated blood sent from the veins back to the body, sending oxygenated blood through arteries. So now let's come to our stomach. Did you know the size of our stomach is of 2 hands closed? So as we eat food, the food goes to the food pipe, which is also known as oesophagus, and then enters our stomach. So the food brought in here is absorbed and churned with its muscles, and it is absorbed by the hydrochloric acid. So now let's come to our kidneys. So as like the lungs, I have told you, the right kidney is slightly smaller than the left kidney, just like the lungs. And the kidneys are the shape of a brain and a size of a computer mouse. So our kidneys remove excess salt and water from the body into the urine. Thank you.